This video is about manufacturing. Manufacturing is the practice of transforming base materials into completed products using various tools, human effort, industrial equipment, and specialized chemical operations. Originating from the transformation that took place during the Industrial Revolution, manufacturing has fueled both global economic growth and environmental challenges. As the engine driving most economies, manufacturing is central to modern life, but requires critical consideration of its planetary impact. An example of how manufacturing systems have evolved is the shift from traditionally manual assembly lines to automated systems in the automotive industry. Using robotics and computerized systems, car manufacturers have enhanced production efficiency and consistency while significantly reducing waste. Automation, however, while beneficial for efficiency, often results in increased energy consumption and presents challenges regarding workforce displacement. Manufacturing connects to several key areas: sustainability, by influencing resource consumption and waste generation; environmental issues, such as pollution and habitat degradation resulting from resource extraction; and IT, given the rise of smart manufacturing technologies that optimize production processes. These topics underscore the tangled relationship between humanity's technological progress and the health of the planet. The manufacturing of electronic devices, such as smartphones, shows how global business decisions influence sustainability. Companies often source materials like rare earth metals from regions with lax environmental regulations to minimize costs. This can lead to significant ecological damage and exploitation of local communities. However, some businesses are pivoting toward more sustainable practices. Dell's closed-loop recycling program, for example, recovers plastics from old computers to manufacture new parts. This circular approach reduces the need for raw materials, while allowing the company to maintain competitive pricing. Industry leaders must consider the effects of their supply chains on ecosystems, societal outcomes, and long-term business viability. Sustainable manufacturing practices can drive innovation in waste reduction, cleaner production techniques, and green energy integration. Businesses can secure their future by committing to practices that regenerate rather than exploit, benefiting both their long-term bottom line and the planet.